In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 1st September 2022, and the day would be Thursday. Now, in previous video, today is 31st, today is holiday. So yesterday's, that is on 30th, for the analysis of 30th August, I said that Nifty is going to be within a range, and that range was this, what I marked, that this near 17,000, this window is going to act as support, and on the upside 18,000 is going to be a broader range, above which only we can see some further high move, and this window is going to also act as a resistance. So as you can see that Nifty made a fantastic rally. This was not expected, but it closed right at the window end where the window was created. So it exactly took resistance and closed just at the resistance level. So it's kind of a Marubozu candle. You can see it is kind of a Marubozu on a daily chart, and this pattern is a very bullish pattern, and if this high is taken out on the upside tomorrow, then we can see further rally which can take Nifty to 18,250, 18,300 level. So mark this word, that 18,250, 18,300 level can easily come where Nifty will stop, but to come to this level Nifty has to cross today's high. If tomorrow it opens with a gap down and starts coming down, then this pattern is not activated. This thing should be noted. The RSI is also just above 60, but if it comes down, then it will come down from 60 also. That will be resistance. So it took support, it took resistance just at the window from where the gap down started. So today is a holiday. Today is 31st August, and today is a holiday due to Ganesh Chaturthi, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you, those who are watching the video, and have a prosperous Ganesh Chaturthi for everyone. So today is holiday. Now even if it is a holiday, then also Nifty or the market rallied. So tomorrow if it opens with a gap up, then this 18,000 level will not be a factor anymore, because from here it came down, tried to go up, then again came down, and from here you can see that it was kind of a, if we zoom out, then you will see that it's kind of, it is a lower trend that was established, and it went up, couldn't sustain and fell down again, but it did not fall much. From near this support only, it is now reversing back. So this 18,000 level will not matter anymore if it is taken out on the higher side. So tomorrow if it is open with a gap up, then 18,000 level will cross, and as soon as this level will cross, we can buy, and 18,250, 300, these levels will be our target. But one other thing can happen. If it opens with a gap down, then all those who have went long or bought at this level will get trapped. And whenever this kind of trap happens, and whenever there is a gap in between, these type of traps happen, and whenever these type of traps happen, market comes down sharply. So if tomorrow if it opens with a gap down, then we can see some reversal for maybe one day or 2 days, and tomorrow is also expiry. So I think between these two levels, that is between the low of this candle 17,400 and 17,750, 17,700 and 17,750, between 17,700 and 17,750, this level, the expiry will likely to happen. So now if I come down to 1 hour chart, you can see that it was kind of in a range. It gave a breakout and then rallied. Now it is pausing. So it is not coming back or coming down. It is just taking a halt in the last one hour. This is the last 15 minutes. It halted. So if this high is taken out, then we can expect this level to come immediately, which is 18,000 level. And if it opens flat means within this range, if it opens and goes up, then this level can come immediately, and from there it may halt a little bit and then it can give a breakout on the higher side. But if it opens with a gap down, anything below 17,600, these people will be trapped, and in the anything gap down below 17,600 will drag the market down to 17,400 tomorrow itself. So 17,400 and 17,800, these levels are the levels to be watched. So if to get more clarity, if we go down to 15-minute chart, then you can see that this was a support, and this is an island, this is another island, and this is another island. So 3 islands has been formed. Now from here sharp selling came, and this is where the support came in Nifty, even in the last minute, and you can see it is stretched. It's a long stretch from down. No red candle you can see except this one, that is also small. So no proper retracement came and it went up. So all those who have bought near this level or near this level will definitely book profit if it opens with a gap down, anything below 17,700 or 17,650, this level. Anything with a gap down more than 100 point, anything more than 100 point gap down will bring the market down maybe to 17,500 level again. But if it opens flat and goes up, then we can buy above 17,800, keeping a 20-25 point stop loss, and our target would definitely be 1:2 or maybe even more, like near about 17,920 to 18,000. This is where we can keep our target. So that is for Nifty, and Nifty is also on an RSI level. You can see Nifty is also kind of overbought. So if I draw a trend line in RSI, then it has closed, giving a break in the trend line. So if it opens gap up, then it will be again recovered. Otherwise, if it falls, then some momentum correction will also come, maybe to near about 60. So that's what we need to watch for tomorrow. And it's an expiry, so it is kind of will be kind of a volatile. So as of my experience or as of my view, I think 17,800 on the upside and on the downside 17,400. This is the level in which Nifty is going to expire with a high volatility. Let's come to Banknifty now. Now you can see Banknifty is stronger than Nifty. If I zoom out, then if you draw a trend line in this level, then you can see that Banknifty broke out, took support, went up, came down, made a higher high, and now it's going up. So this is a trend line that we need to watch now. So what we can see here is this is a trend line that Banknifty is maintaining kind of, and on the top side it closed well above from where the fall came. So to my view, 40,000 is going to act as a strong resistance and 38,000 is going to act as strong support. So that's what I said in the weekly analysis or in the previous video, that 38 to 39,500 or 39,700 is going to act as a strong resistance. So Banknifty closed above 39,500, but any gap down, listen very carefully, that any gap down will make 39,500 a resistance because tomorrow is expiry. So within this candle, Banknifty is likely to be expiring, or Banknifty weekly options contract or Banknifty expiry for tomorrow is likely to happen between 38,400 and 39,600. So 38, maybe 480 on the downside and 39,580 on the upside. So that's a big range, but it is going to be volatile. So any move will come between this range only. So if I come to 1 hour chart for a more clarity, then you can see a sharp rally, and this is also not a kind of retracement. So if it crosses this high of 39,600, then as per the price action, it should test 40,000, near about 40,000. So a rally is coming in the coming days, but not for tomorrow, what I am saying. Because after this great move, if it continues on the upside or sustains on the upside, then we can expect 40,000 or even maybe 40,700. These levels may come in the coming days, maybe in September. But for tomorrow, we can look at 15-minute chart to get a glimpse of what has happened. Here you can see that this was a truly in a box trading. Then it opened gap up, sustained that gap up, and then it rallied on the upside. Now it's halting near 39,600. So if it opens flat within the body of this candle anywhere and starts going up, then we can buy, keeping an 80-point stop loss, and our target would definitely be 39,800 and 40,000. And we can also not look for 40,000, we can expect 39,970 around, where we will exit position if we go long. Now if it opens with a big gap up, then some selling pressure will definitely come, and 39,600 will act as support and 40,000 will act as resistance. So for tomorrow's expiry, 39,600 on the downside and 40,000 on the upside is going to act as a range if it opens with a gap up. Now this is a gap up scenario. Now second thing, it can be flat. That's what I said, that if it opens flat and goes up, we can keep an 80-point stop loss, and our range would be 39,400 to 39,800, or even 40,000. 39,970 can be expected if it opens flat. But if it opens with a gap down, that's where the trick will come, because everyone who has bought in this level after the breakout within this range or even this range will definitely book profit if anything below 39,300 happens. So below 39,300, if Banknifty opens tomorrow, then these players, those who have bought here, will definitely book the profit, and it is likely to come down further. And the support is going to be near 38,800 level or 39,000 level. So if it opens gap down anywhere below 39,300, then we can expect 38,800 level to be coming very soon. Very soon means within maybe first 45 minutes itself, and then the range would be 39,600 or 39,580 on the upside, and on the downside we can expect again 38,600 level to be a very good support. So 13,600 to 39,580 would be the range for tomorrow's expiry if it opens with a gap down. So we covered three scenario: the gap up, the gap down, and if it opens flat. And it's also kind of overbought, so any big rally I'm not expecting tomorrow. It may be consolidating or may come down a little bit. So that's what my expectation or my analysis for tomorrow's expiry. Now let's look at the stocks. The first stock is UPL. See, it is kind of maintaining a trend line. From here, it took support here, then it's kind of took support here, and now it's making a W kind of formation. So this would be the neckline, and if this neckline is crossed, then it can come to the 792, 800, all these levels. But for immediately tomorrow, these 780 levels can be tested. So if it opens flat and starts going up, we can buy above 770 or 772. Above 772 we can buy, keeping a 5 to 7 point stop loss, and our target would be 1:2 on the upside, or near 780 could be our target for intraday. The next stock is HDFC Bank. If Banknifty becomes positive, now if Banknifty opens with a gap down, then HDFC Bank is definitely open with a gap down. In that case, we will avoid. If the stock opens anywhere near 1475 or below 1475, then we will ignore this trade. And if Banknifty, if it opens with too much of a gap up, like above 1500 or 1515, if it opens, then also we are going to ignore this trade. So if it opens flat, and starts going up, then we can buy HDFC Bank. Now here also you can see that from here it fell. So if Banknifty becomes positive, then HDFC Bank is likely to continue at least up to this level. So above 1490 we can buy HDFC Bank, keeping an 8 to 10 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the upside. The next stock is NMDC. Now you can see that from here it gave a breakout, and then every higher level sellers are trying to bring NMDC down. So if we zoom out, then you can see this was a big candle. From there there's a long shadow, then another long shadow, then a red candle. It opened gap down due to global sentiment and then shot up, and now again it's making a kind of a negative candle. It's more like a dark cloud cover. Now the top is kind of same, so this is the range where this 125 is the range where sellers are trying to sell NMDC. So if this low is taken out tomorrow, then we can again see these levels of 120 or 117.50. So what we can do tomorrow is, if it opens below 121.50, if it opens anywhere within this range, like 122 to 121, and we can see 121.50 cross, then we can sell below 121.50, keeping a 2 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be a target on the downside. A word of disclaimer that all these videos are for educational purposes. I am not a SEBI registered analyst, and I am sharing my view. And if you like to trade on this view or with some of your own, then you should consult your financial advisor. See, this is not a recommendation. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.